Children, today we are going to do the experiment of potato osmoscope to understand the process of osmosis. For this experiment we require a large size potato. So this potato will be used, and then we have to use 20% sugar solution. This 20% sugar solution is prepared by mixing 20 grams of sugar in 100 ml of water. So this will make us 20% sugar solution. So this we require, potato we require, and some amount of distilled water we require. Then we have to peel this potato and make it in a cup form. So we will just peel this potato and let's see what happens. So now children, you can see that we have peeled this potato. We have taken some distilled water. So we are going to drop this distilled water in this beaker. We have taken few pins also. Now we are going to make the cup shape of this potato for this potato osmoscope. So children, this was the potato. We have removed the upper part and the bottom part. Now it can be placed, you can see it can be placed in a horizontal direction and in form of a cup. Now we are taking one spatula and we are removing the inner part of this potato, and now you can see a cup shaped structure is being formed. So we have made a cup shaped structure of this potato by removing the inner pulp of the potato. So now it's a cup shaped structure. Now we are going to pour this distilled water in a petri dish. We will place this potato in this water. We are going to take 20% of sugar solution and we are going to pour in this potato osmoscope. The level till which we have poured the sugar solution, we will place a pin to mark the level of water till where we have placed this 20% sugar solution. Now we have to keep this setup for approximately 2 hours and then we will see the result. We can see 2 hours have passed away. Now we can see that the pin was kept here and the level of water has increased to this level. You can put another pin to show the increase of the water. So this amount of water has been increased in the potato osmoscope or potato osmometer. So this is because of the movement of water molecules from outside the surface or from the petri dish inside the potato, and this potato is working as a selectively permeable membrane. The cells of potato is working as a selectively permeable membrane. The concentration of water molecule in the distilled water is more as compared to the sugar solution. So what happens, water molecules from petri dish or outside the surface of potato starts moving inside the potato osmoscope and thereby the level of water increases. So this shows that there is a process of osmosis